with part 3 of the chapter. Okay, so in this part we will talk about the description of the solution set. Okay, describing the solution set. Okay, let me split the board into two. Okay, the first part is just the introduction. Okay, in the last few videos we have talked about the different types of solutions we have for a linear system of equations. Okay, so we have three types of solutions. We have a solution, a unique solution, no solution, and infinitely many solutions. Okay, so we will see in this video how to describe each type of solution, especially how to describe the infinitely many solutions. Okay, so let me do a quick introduction here. Okay, so here, if as I said, when a linear system, okay, a linear system with change color, a unique solution, okay, has a solution set with one element. It makes sense, right? Okay, because it's a unique solution. Okay, when we have no solution, you can guess linear system with no solution, it has what? How many elements? Zero elements. So it has it is empty. It has an empty set of solution. Okay, so a linear system with no solution, no solution with no solution has a solution set. It has an empty set. Okay, the solution set that is, let me write it empty. Okay, so here as well, let me write one element. It has one element. Okay, now batch 3. Okay, we have a linear system. When we have a linear system that has infinitely many solutions, how many elements do you have in each solution set? So you can guess we have many, and that's what this part of the chapter is going to be about. How do we describe the solution set of infinitely many solutions? Okay, so a linear system with solution set, okay, that contains many. So it has infinitely many solutions. Many elements. Okay. Is challenging. Is challenging to write. is challenging to describe. Challenging to describe. So in this video, we will see how do you describe such a solution set, okay? But before that, let me give you some definitions here. So number 2, definitions. Okay, definitions. Okay, so let me start with the first definition. We have in echelon form, if you remember from the last videos. After applying Gauss method, we have to a linear system of equation, we have the final system of equation is known as echelon form, okay, of the linear system. So when we have such echelon form, the variables that are leading are known as free variables. And if you remember as well, we have talked about the leading variables. Those are in each row the variables or the variable that is leading each row and that has a non-zero coefficient. So those two terms are very important. We have seen previously leading variables, and in this video we will see free variables, and we are going to use those two variables to be able to describe the solution set of infinitely many solutions, okay? So let me write it down in an echelon form. An echelon form, linear system, okay? The variables that are not leading, yeah, that's what I said, I hope. The variables that are not leading, okay? So when we don't have leading variables, instead of when we don't have leading variables, we have free variables. The variables that are not leading are free. Okay, so the free variables. Another important concept is the concept of a parameter. So a variable, okay, that is used to describe a solution. A family of solution is a parameter. Okay, a variable that is used to describe a family of solutions is a parameter. Okay, and that the last concept to define or to clarify is parametrization. Okay, a solution set is parametrized. Solution set is parameterized if it is written in terms of some parameters. Okay, if it is written in terms of some parameters. Okay, so let me do the next part. Okay, now the question is how to describe the solution set. how to, what method or what steps do you have to undertake to be able to write, to describe the solution set? How to describe the solution set. Okay. After all those definitions, how do you apply those definitions to describe the solution set? Okay, so to be able to describe the solution set, you have to undergo two steps. Step number one, bring the system to echelon form. Okay, so you bring the linear system to echelon form. And step number two, you write the leading variables in terms of the free variables. Okay, so that's what we call, you parameterize the solution set. Okay, so let me write it. So we have to parameterize the solution set, the leading variables with the free variables. Parameterize with the free variables. The free variables. Okay, so I'm going to stop here for the lecture, and in the next video I'm going to do a tutorial to show you how to describe the solution set, okay, of infinitely many solution linear system of equations, and okay, we have to describe those solution set using the concept we have seen today. Okay, especially the concept of free variables and parameters, and recall very well here how to describe the solution set is very important. We have two steps to take. Step number one, we have to bring the system to echelon form, and step number two, we have to parameterize with free variables. So you have to write the leading variables in terms of the free variables. Is that okay? So thank you, and see you in the next video for the tutorial.